My name's Matilda.
My name's Oliver.
And today we'll be doing some more tie-dye.
These are some t-shirts that we did from last time, just to show you how the tie-dye stayed on the t-shirt as well. Let's get started.
Tie-dye time!
We're using the same set as we did last time from Amazon. We'll put the link in the description. Over to you, Matilda.
I'll show you what we've got to use today. We've got a t-shirt each, a glove each, some dye and some rubber bands.
We've put all of our rubber bands on. I've got 3 sections.
And I've got 6 sections.
The tie-dye is finished. We're going to leave it overnight and check it in the morning.
Okay, so we're outside, me, Matilda and Oliver.
Yep.
We're going to do...
Close pipes on. Ready?
We'll do Matilda's first.
Yep.
Oh no, that's Oliver's, sorry.
Oh yeah, that's Oliver's.
Oliver's.
So you remember last time we did it in a different bucket as well?
A lot of glitter on it.
Okay, so we'll
That's
get
glitter.
elastic bands off first. So you see the separation in the colours.
Yep.
Which looks good. It's got glitter on it for some reason.
Because we did it on the bedding mats and Oliver's had a lot of glitter because we spilt it last time we did resin.
Yep.
That's correct.
That's correct, yeah.
Right, so open it up.
Oh, wow.
Oh wow!
That is looking bright.
Oh,
Yeah? Okay,
wow.
so put it in here.
See, that's the first time I've ever done it. It's great.
Fill it with water, like so.
Oliver, what colour?
And this gets all the excess dye off.
It's all the fatness.
All the fatness.
Yeah.
It looks like poo in there. Looks like Coke, actually.
Yeah, Coca-Cola.
Subscribe.
Okay, so fill it with some water. And then we're going to wring it out, get all the water out of it, yeah?
And we're going to hang it on the plug
And we'll hang it over the washing line. So we'll get it like this.
for 2 seconds.
And we'll just squeeze all the water out of it. Back in again. Squeeze all the water out.
Why your hands? Oh no, your hands are getting wet.
Like that.
Why do you go from?
So you've got to get dye on my hands. Right, watch out, show the camera. Looking awesome.
The middle part looks well cool.
It doesn't it? So we'll hang it over the line. For now. So that's that one.
I want to see how mine turned out.
So just get rid of this water first. Watch out, Matilda.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Ooh, it's looking big.
Watch out the camera, Tills. So,
I'm so excited. Rainbow.
okay, Tilda's excited. Right,
Whoa, look at all the tie-dye dripping off.
tie-dye dripping off. Is that much in it?
Oh, the fatness.
Yeah, because you put a lot of that red in there, didn't you, Tills?
Yeah.
So, rinse this one off as well.
Put a lot of purple.
That's blue. No, it's going to look good.
It's going to look ace.
It's
You
rainbow.
know, like the colour looks weird.
That one. Oopsie daisies.
Careful. It's getting all the excess in here.
That one.
Just take them down.
Okay, nearly there, Tilda. Nearly there. You ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
No.
Oh. Wow, look at all them colours.
Sticking out there.
Yeah?
That's where to
Awesome. Okay, so spray some water on it.
Your water's pink, yours.
I'm red.
I'm orange. I'm green and blue.
Literally, it turns out red.
The water did.
No.
It's like cherry coke.
Cherry coke. Yeah. It's not
Okay.
Not.
What do you call normal Coke?
Coca-Cola.
No, what flavour is Coke? Normal.
Let me just
Coke.
pour that away. Just give it another rinse out.
Why?
Because there's a lot of that red dye in it.
Yeah.
Broccoli. Now that looks like pink lemonade.
Pink lemonade.
Pink lemonade.
Okay, a couple of rinses. Looking
I want to touch it though.
mega. You can't touch it.
It's raining.
Like that.
Rain.
Okay. Just give Oliver's a second rinse off as well. Oliver's a second rinse. Not as much dye on this, so it should be quite. Yeah, it's not too bad. Show the camera if we can. Watch out, Tills. See, not too much dye coming off that. Okay.
That one looks like, Tilda, what would you say? What do you think that looks like?
Mine's better. That's
No,
white
what do you think of that?
Okay, hang it on the washing line.
Orange lemon.
All done. Okay, kids, we've rinsed them out now. Yep. Okay, so there they are, just hanging on the washing line. We'll let them drip dry just for a little bit, and then we'll have to take them inside. What are you saying, Tilda?
If you turn your head around for mine, it looks like a proper rainbow, like going round
It does actually.
and round.
Looks like a proper rainbow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, there we go. Let them dry, and then we'll wash. We need to dry them, drip dry them, and then we'll need to wash them in the washing machine to get all that excess dye out. And then Oliver and Matilda can try them on and show them off. Okay, these going in the washing machine now. So we're going to put a little bit of washing liquid in there with it. Put it on quick wash. Just do a 14-minute wash. 30 degrees. Just a bit of a faster spin though, just to get them spun. There we go.
It's morning after, and they've both been washed and dried, and they're amazing.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing, I'm always